age abayue adwenboni we what na make no adwenboni we beba ne team say o madam ye obibi a wo mpempo a there is so either say we be tolerating no we be mia weni because obi be ka school bi eni wa graduation ni ejuma bi eni wa we be yakosi ewieye uti wona hu say madam ye ombo ana wo fa won age na saving na we be save ye
okay
aha na mo bi na be tutu ni ye say na be ya
Ebusuya for me mama akwa bashonko eba too much GH me dey edin na ama obusonet bra eye ensema enenam from me trending issues me dey ebe somo nti jibre netie emu ensem video bi trende ewo Instagram na video ni mo abaywa say abaywa kitwe bi po nti woni nkra woni fiem ye en wo butu an madam Jenny so ebise bisa nsem na utie omo komo twetwe a omo twe wo eye video ni ma utimi say abaywa no eye house helper or som ne madam ewo fie na obi nim bone a ne madam ni edi na so wafa ne madam no adwempone afa eye insecticide spray edi kuntuntum ne mwa e ka hono say okwa poison ne madam no by pouring the insecticide no ewo ne mame no anase ne madam no ensu a wonom emu na fofi anto ata ye che no na ye che no ho nsem na ada ne video a e was for ye kohwe mra sisia.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I think I would kill anybody that say or do something that I don't like.
I can't hear you. Please speak up.
I said I would kill anybody that say something or do what I don't like.
What will you kill them with? What will you kill them with? Would you give her her too? Continue. What will you kill them with? Eh? What are you holding in your hand? What are you holding in your hand? I can't hear you. What are you holding in your hand? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What did you use it for? You put it where? Which water? Which of my water? Where is downstairs? Where was it downstairs? So how did you get the one upstairs? Because my room is locked. How did you get the water inside my room? I can't hear you. I cannot hear what you are saying. Which key?
The one in your room.
When you found the key of my room, what did you do?
I opened the door. And I inside myself.
You want me to help you talk? Was I there when you did it? So it's you that can tell us what happened. So when you opened my door and entered inside my room, what did you now do? When you found my key, where I hid my key, you opened my door, you entered inside my room. Then what did you do? I can't hear you. Put it where? Eh? What water? Better speak up.
Your water.
The water for what?
You drink.
The water I'll drink. I can't hear you.
Yes.
So you took sniper, looked for where I used to keep my key, opened my room door, entered inside, opened the water I used to drink, and poured sniper inside my drinking water. Is that true?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Mesa so mama akwa bashunko ebiem jumeko so ya say e ma di ejumede ebremo mama Juliet Ventures. Mama Juliet oton kitchen appliances edemo sisi nyama watches fridge there can be a would be sisi with them any kitchen ama wo ba ya fro wo ba they say would dibem or ba they say hey obesima and they said in any common so be the best for anything bacho o kitchen quantity frɛ Mama Juliet ana sɛ penecha kwan ɛwɔ Abekala Pass no nso to out ebiem so ni true fin eso ya say ni true fin ebo dan so de ma eyewo na sɛ wo dan no wo betinemu ama na ye wani je say obi dan crampo timuka na ewi abono na nsu obono ɛwɔ no ane dem mu roofing ntia me pacho check it roofing no wa be hu ntia se na ɛwɔ asema meka ne mu na wo pɛ papa no ene de ɛbɛkyɛ ɛde ma afebo a unya problem bia wo ho de a no afrɛ ɛyɛ ni roofing for mama ba yes adwuma no ɛde amamom ebiem no so Winners Aluminium Limited ye ba no ɛyɛ glass doors slide doors ebiem so windows any louvers any office nchichemu dia na no afrɛ Winners Aluminium Limited mama ba yes adwuma na ma no modima de enhotel nti na me de ho adanse ɛde akyɛw ene dey me guest ɛyɛ Miss Messica obapa mo akwa
njoso
bibi aboko
nyame ade bibi ayi fine
de rade ase Miss Mercy. Nansen dear. How's help ye are my baby? So munkunwa ba waja o dia mo no so o mebro no dia ma.
Miniaba.
Video ye kwhwe eni eye ensem a mame no bisa abawe ni tese njiso so no so de to aso de ma no de mpa no bitima ka fom.
Yo, assembly dear, anu a shedika. But first of all, we cheer too much. It's a funny ashefun. Say the beer, Mojin and Yamungu son shramons, and Amuya credit. Miniaba, assembly dear. One day shall never end. Share a sucon of Marseille. About you, I will wait to a fiance. I will pray with that chain. I dream one in with this same way at me about him. Hey, if you are sipping crying, your woman, sister. When you naturally say we are saying your woman, sister, and more thing in your mouth, so Mususem in Brato, a dear, just said, and Catete Koraka say far away from Nipa. They say a common share about you in the age. Just say, me and family near, or madam will yell. Shani Ajo. And found at it, put just and found cramp, put just say, with the solution about Tim near with this same cases over cool madam with fiat as a first as a open them back and the account. Now, what about a year for the soon?
I suppose be
I mean, come, your father needs to soon. Say, then I also me just a me when I me find prescribing and I me find describing in nipa banya any subanya what date.
Now what ye the madam you say ma what you say ono amu abaya no ntrasin dada ntini dan o dem kra bia no aloki o loki ni dan nti say na abaye itimi time ni madam e pen key baby o de esie fa ko bie ni dan ehwie insecticide go nsu onu mu no o sha de mpa na be pia no say wonye sad on to sa na mo
send ya me see canon at times madam for no money house help ni bitia omone ya yo mo ye so too much omo form for too much
madam for
omo ebi muti mi ma house help ni ye ejuma sa ajiso no ada say 12 o'clock o no ndaya bring me tea bring
there's a baby
mistake get so awobeye no ebi e very rude, very rude, but nini nechi no me man that one je won say at this tender age abayu adwenboni we what in America no adwenboni we beba ni team say o madam ye obibi a won pempo a there is so either say we be tolerating no we be mia weni because soon obi weka school bi eni wa graduation ni ejuma bi eni wa we be yakosi ewieye uti wona hu say madam yombo na wo fa won age na saving na we be save ye
okay
aha na mo bi na be tutu ni ye say na be ya opot na wo hu na wo pa ejuma foforo we ewu yin aso be kwakọ di bone ana be di ewudi sem enye force no say ejuma na koso aye neko kunipa chese found more treatment e koso no me pa chese solution na enye say abayo awe e ba ni tim agi say bia ye deeper than bia nia me efie ntete ya ma me ne treating no bia obi na abọ ne pa bia sike bi da ho because akoma no okra no dey ebe this ankodi kodi say with this akoma no edin bia bibi we che influence bi we chire anka ohwie a me ye sure say japade anka e be ya ma no ebi so ananka prison e frefre ne keke
no ho bon sawo mi bi wo
mobo
na
mobo be bia
ya ma to ase bia wo kase free but yen hwe madam fo no ade enya ne na sha ate se yeti enkofo de se house help omo madams ni omo bosses anase omo bosses e makrampo omo di omo dem ya tete bebre enti di enti na se wo hwe na utimi tolerate obi a wo kofa no better na ten se won bo awo efie edwuma mu madams no so ne ye ko omo so
yo mini aba ebetumi aba se on se nipa de ebi mutimu osum
okay
obi o enfa oni say na madam at times normally it should be say incident be say ya ye de ni si madam ne so mo no mo nye but nipa bi wo wa position na nkasa wo na wa be fa ne so be hye wasem first idea no mpe onyaya na nko no obeto sikem obeto de musa ba wan beto mu no a wo gina that iwe no top wo na nkasa no onpe family the way ya ube treating no ni obeya no beye ye woni pe bisa madam ni betime treating ni good or the boni beti anika o twe nwa na onu ukunu hyewo ye woni pa suban bi wo wa family attitude da eti na bible nya me kwa fa ni want to ni person family attitude da ube show whether good or bad onya wonye baby o free ba no kra beye no de ba ye o de beye o onkra won papa o de beye o onkra adwen papa o de beye so me the house help na nkasa no me ankebeya emboa but baby won so madam for na bi so ye lazy de me mbom so say na abusa me no baby e too lazy to the extent that you only man pedicure medicure asa any dressing awuro dress na wo hia bat wo ye na wo ye wa sede te se oba
okay
obey use house help no call market wo ko ba be ye duane wo ya be 7 no ni wa ka na na ato so ene ebremi so ene ebremi juice ene wo ni pakra dia na nie so mana ye mo obi won so ne kan chinsa anyoma we e jo be ye wo senya me sika no obey ye because ohun ni say wo ni atinke bi ama no
na ebi o so hwe na o mu hwe mu yie se o mu gigie mu o mu tare hwe mu tina ya
mo ni pasitne mu de enyoma bebre koso wo awuni wuni akara ntokwati mi ba mu ntem woni wo ma mi o ntokwati mi ba mu ntem na obi hu a onye wo moja a wa kofa na du say in most cases in the crowd obi timi kofa ni aba betina ni nchemme no nso okoji nini apeni ni kunu anase nini abane kunu anane kanchima nini nasi relationship mu but the people involved no ekoba se madam na enye house help ne so nya asumdwe de bi mbe fie woda eti mi hwe both side eti mi hwe one side say madam for na chenchira omo de omo nya na de bi omo maturity ebi nso wa akoma papa a omo timi fa house help ne te say omo dia omo nia ketua but house help na nkasa no on fa madam ne say ne nia no fa ne say
okay
no business na wo beye enti baby a business ne be fa baby a obeye involve enti na meka say ye nia be ye betimi aba say business bi kan influence bi e shechire enti obi wa business target na wo ni team say men ye no matter what me person me yet say me madam and no cry na maybe mu kwaji o madam kunu
me to aseba o
person yet say ne madam onya na nko no wo sa adwin na she ni team no obi betua ne kaso nko obeku so there is more to it than say you be justify one side say madam for no na enye house help na bi akasom suban na enye enko ye
mate wase but ye hwe bi wase say Ye me no yentimi ntina mbom. Me a me nipa maybe me suban se na na me tie na otna bi betimi abom na asesa. Won so a baby a wo free ba no so nipa o ti bibia betimi se na no ntie be nya kra se wo bi etina wa wi asa na so bitini fi obefa house help na.
Yo, mini aba. Udi echire so a.
Sempi.
Udi echire so a. Won say na ye ebi mu ye too busy. Ejuma na mo akopa yo mo ho with ejuma and what they are getting too much. To the extent other things and so much time or no. Omo ye. Obi wo wa na ejuma no kwa agise 8 o'clock. Such a person or family. Obeja nechi. It imagine said the whole month now uko 8 but when they be cleaning when they be your kitchen when they be and we be answer ube febi but the thing is uko fan shishemu ye investigation but umpaye the only solution be ma we share ni papa ye say udi be tu erade ni but e ko ba say uhia na upenso na udi ko hwehwe we san say uhia ni pananti no obia keke no wakofa no obi be ka na asem kwa cho so nipa ya wakofa no what obi wakofa no obi be ma information say nipa we ni subanti say wakoye bibi say but ebi maso ye den still ni ohia ni nti at that moment no on fa any other way bia ebeba ni obi abeka bi ontie obefa nipa na wakofa na enu so na ma ebebre ko amani banka ye betumi a yen squeeze ya ho yen nye schedules ye yen nye juma e benya time so for home building no ejira yen so home building and you be building home amount aside that no obi obeba wo home bia betimi askata wo mo betimi break wo home enti say ejuma no ekwan betimi ada ho na e bia ya kwa pontem na ye squeeze ye ho de bia wonim se mewe kaka ana wonim se bia menua ni suban ye at times so ye mistake baby obi o asi o mi guseni a okofa e bia guseni obetimi atina ama na be se oba ama obehu se ma amenti o treat ni ye ono so be treat wi ye but ye pen we ko fo obi o ti ne kura ase a oni ono ankasa no oni mo shinti oba akra kaka na akra from man fa na ni so kakra
na ni so bre no
bonene samone na aba ni timtini ni name no it might happen say ubetimi akọ situation bi mu the only option is the house help
okay
but okofa no wa hwehwem ye if you can do something about your own cell phone so now be making schedules for your home to take off your kids and take care of your home well so but you didn't say no be boa pa since ube ma stranger are getting involved with your affairs
okay wait there in common AC anisa but me say madam he so kwan of fast so far phone echa ni maid ebisa na nsem say on to that was that the best because watching in the art
ebi to with that one
let's watching the art at the first place now be drink club who be wan na police station na kan tempa no de no call
oh who here say evidence who here enti o video na be chere say me beto ni so kra poison way
okay
enti who the one no fa kokan obetimi edinai say one so nsa when trashe bibia anywhere chere say I was going to do that Mimi Gidi said Otuanamo Papa from the beginning. First aid no good. Yeah, because we're red-handed and I make question. And I'm not the one putting words in your mouth. I'm asking you and you're answering. And you're saying yes. And you're drawing so crowd.
Who say all me compete me di bone.
Bone.
Do it no. What dey me come editor o channel. And so who say we dey ko we bone mu ahwe me ko police station we nsem print o dey ehon me ni mo ana ko pass on here. Na phone wa tria to baby not say we bunu ko mu kra say go be ehu.
Aunt me ndini bone madam no nya onjo sa madam ne kasa kat mu so ye had and besides say we are the bone na ye chewa at once na ohun jo
obi open madam ekunu
ohun jo ulu si won say bone ba wo so say wo ya wo be wie na ejai wo like si wo so a na weni amba wo so a wo be ye but ube wie no na wani so atew oh e ba ne sen na me yes a enti emre ye chi ne na ne hu bejojo like the person say I can't think far e won no obey confused oh ya chi me like what am I going to do that's the only thing na or dream on don't mean take any further action. I just any done and also on him say dear with them because by a chill pet a draw cry when you want to jojo. There is no way I in the actual channel no. Obey me attacking the madam. Obey me attacking the physical combination of because of poison.
Miss Messica, we dear. For final way to done with it.
You ready, Obibia was shaming. The only option for you is house help no. Me power show. Se wo kofa house helper, shishemu, bon paye, nyamere, investigate about nipa na wo kwa kofa ni sule ne ban. Ansa na wo the number we butu mu. Enye sa wa wo be kwa kofa how. E wo mre a wa dwen se wo kofa, wo kopemboa. Ena madam fo no nso omo ni obi ti no. Hwe ade edi diu. Enfen diu nyonko. Ye di wanya wo de no. Wo kofa obi ba fa ne se wo de fa odo so tete no. Ene ne ntina me gidi se wo adwen papa na wo ni obi tia ebe ye din se nipa ne kra betumi aye wo bone ana obi benam no so obesum afidie bi ebe ye din se obeyi wama eti efuto aka me de be ebe ma obi bia wo hwe me a wo ni obi ti right
ebusuafo otimi se oba mesi ni hia no waka ede ato osa no efuto kese pa and wodi etu ye ni arenti ebe ya febi etu kotudwemu no ana se bia mu so no hye ema wadofom no mo so mutimi enye bi entu on kotudwemu emmobra na yedi AC no me kai mo sembetimi afle ewe IG page @atuma_gh_ na wo de wadwen tire efa kwanya twetwe an se ne so abeto ye comment section no medi edena na ama uza me ne Miss Messica ene ne yedi nkomo na me atoma ye be sai shaping akramo.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.